everyone! Let's play a game! How to play? We will play 3 different types of games. You will guess an object based on the characteristics that will be told in the question. You will guess the nature of an object shown in the question, and you will be given multiple choices. You will guess a word from an object. You will be given an incomplete word as a clue. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Question number 1. What is the name of the layer of the Earth's atmosphere that contains the ozone layer? The answer is stratosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer of Earth's atmosphere, located above the troposphere, containing the ozone layer that absorbs harmful UV radiation. Question number 2. Which fish is known for its sharp teeth and reputation as a predator? A. Goldfish. B. Tuna. C. Piranha. D. Clownfish. The answer is piranha. A piranha is a freshwater fish known for its sharp teeth and aggressive feeding behavior, commonly found in South American rivers. Question number 3. Guess the word. S. I. The answer is guess the word. S. H. I. P. Ship. A ship is a large watercraft designed for transporting people or goods across seas and oceans.
Thanks for watching! Please subscribe our channel for more videos.